Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So, in a previous lecture, we will cover the phases of various phases of disaster management like planning and mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery. So, before we start our today's lecture, I'll recommend you to go through that video first and then come on to this video. Okay, I'll put the link in the I button. So, in this lecture, we have only one topic here, which is foundation of emergency management. Okay, so why we need the foundation? Why we need the emergency management? And what is the foundation of emergency management? So, due to the study of the previous all phases of emergency management, we can say that this emergency management is only depend data. ठीक है, only depend on data from a variety of sources. The appropriate data which we has to gather, organize and displayed logically, which logically to determine the size and the scope of emergency management program, which is called the emergency management. During an actual emergency, it is critical to have a right data at the right time and displayed logically to respond and take appropriate actions. One example I can give you is like a COVID situation. In COVID situation, no one is aware about this new disease. Okay, so everybody has to rumor. Okay, everybody has a rumor that COVID is just like this. It can be controlled by the alcohol. It can be controlled by these some else pills or some else medicine. Okay, no one has a right data. No one has a right time, and no one has a logical data to display that which medicine is recover from this COVID situation. Okay, so during this actual emergency situation, emergencies can also impact all the numbers or the we can say all the department of the government. Okay, emergency personnel often need detailed information concerning the just like a pipeline or building layout or a electrical distribution or a sewer system or the other so forth. Okay, we can say the so we can by utilizing the GIS system. Okay, all department care can share their information through the database on a computer generated map in a one location. I can give you one example like our application of COVID-19. So in this application, government has uploaded the data and upload the data nearby you, which people is affected by the COVID. Okay, which people is affected by the COVID. We can get the information through that application. Okay. Now, next point is most emergencies do not allow the time to gather these resources. This results in an emergency responder to having the guess, estimate, or make a decision without adequate information. So this cannot be happen again. That's why we need the emergency management. Okay, and most of the data required for emergency management are specially natural and can be located on a map. Okay, so this is the foundation of this emergency management topic. This is very important topic. In this topic we can learn the how we can get the why we need the emergency management and how can we get. Okay, so in this lecture this only one topic we have covered this year. With this our first chapter is completed. Next, in the next lecture we can start the our new topic. okay, or a new chapter. Okay, till then, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so you will get the notification while I am uploading a new video. Okay, uh, previous videos link I will give you in the description box or as well as in a I button. Okay, so go through it and check it out. Okay, Jai Hind.